All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today we're going to do a quick review of the RUK V.2 Thunderbirdgear Edition utility knife. This is a really cool little piece of gear. You can get it from thunderbirdgear.com. I got mine from here. Steve Knapp is the owner, really nice guy. He just gave me this really cool field notes, like a 48-page memo book, nice notebook to write your notes on the field. And on his website, you can get these brands, really cool assortment of brands. But first of all, let's just do a quick size comparison. Right here, you have your Leatherman Free T4 up against your RUK V.2, and this is like the James brand, counting. So these are like some smaller options, something more popular and a little bit bigger to give you an idea of the size. This is your Paramilitary 3, and this is your PM2, and this is going to be up against your Benchmade 940-1. So there you have it. So let's do just a quick review of this guy over here. You can, there's many options for you can choose from. If you pick like this version, like aluminum one, you can get in several colors. You can also choose the material. This comes in titanium and in brass as well. This is the second version, so it's updated and improved. In fact, you can find, for example, like a nice pry bar over here. It also serves as a, like a light task screwdriver, because being aluminum, of course, it's like softer compared to titanium or brass. Also, you have right over here your fishing line cutter, or like string cutter, when the blade is in the closed position. So very, very nice design choice over here. If you turn around, you can see that here you have like your 1/4 of an inch hex socket for driver bits. So you just stuck your bit over here and you can use this as a screwdriver. So very, very interesting. If you're a lanyard guy, there is your hole, so you're gonna be happy with this, as well as if you like drink on the go, and you wanna pop some some bottle caps. Right over here you have your bottle opener. So very, very nice overall design. I like it. Of course, this is like the Thunderbirdgear edition. You have the logo stamped over here. The utility blade, of course, is the main purpose of this one, and you can deploy the blade just with one hand, pushing down like in this direction, and just having the blade slide forward. There's like a half stop and just a closed stop position. So you have 3 position. You can decide to use the blade. This is one, and this is fully deployed. There is a like a plastic piece over here which prevents the blade from dulling out during deployment. So it's a smart design as well. Of course, you have your cut out here to fall in place, to lock in place, 1 and 2, right here. And it's very useful. I mean, it's a little slim addition to your EDC gear you're gonna carry. It's made in the US, so it's very inexpensive, and it's something I think you should consider if you are into EDC gear. There you have it. So this was my quick review of the RUK V.2 Thunderbirdgear Edition. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.